Hey guys, Hutch, Classic Car Addict, Mesa, Arizona. Want to bring you this beautiful 1957 210. This thing is absolutely awesome. You can just see, it's got fresh paint on it. Inside the engine compartment, you got a 350 fuel injected. You got a 4-speed transmission. It's got a little custom console. It has your nice gray and blue velour seats. This beautiful blue. Bumpers have been painted to match. It's got some Kragers on it. We're gonna go around, take an exterior shot, take an interior shot, go on a test drive. Stay tuned. (1957) 210. Let's go. All right, so we got Dakota digital gauges. Those are working great. We got a tilt steering wheel. Grant GT steering wheel. Horn does not work. This one does have another custom tunes audio. That does work. Let's see if we got wipers. Negative, Ghost Rider. No wipers. Let's see, I saw the heat was not hooked up, so there is no AC, there is no heat. All of this is actually really good shape all the way around. It's got the tweed, it's actually really good shape. It actually looks pretty freshly done. It is definitely freshly done because there's a couple extra pieces that are included with it to match. But it looks and drives absolutely great. Let's actually go out on the road, show you what it's all about. Very smooth. love that it's got that upgraded powertrain with the fuel injection. It really just lets you enjoy the vehicle for what it is. So trying to adjust the seat, this is as far back as it goes. You do have your tilt, so you get a little bit more space there, but this is as far as it goes back. We actually just sold a vehicle that it was actually elongated, so the seat was actually pushed back, but he was actually a little too short to use it, so we actually had to get it moved forward for him. Usually it's the opposite way, everybody wants it moved back. Yeah, this one rides out good. The blue, even just in here, the blue pops. That's for sure. The blue definitely looks great. Saturday night special.